Hello everyone, hope you are all good. Many of us now see that food is served on plastic plates at all events or restaurants. Our ancestors were very smart, so they used to eat food in banana leaf, which is not only good for health but also bring us close to Mother Earth. In today's video, we are going to see some interesting facts and religious facts about banana leaf. We will divide the video into two parts. First one will be for the magical power of banana and the second one will be the medicinal power of banana. So let's get started. Bananas can be used in magical working to increase both fertility and male potency. Being married under a banana tree is said to be bring good luck to the bride. Banana leaves, flowers and fruits can be used in prosperity spell. A banana tree planted near the house will bring good luck to the household. Use dry powdered banana in spells to increase male lust and potency. Due to their phallic shape, bananas are often used in magical practice to represent the god and the masculine energy. Carry bananas with you when traveling by air or land for a little extra travel protection. Since bananas grow upward facing the heaven, it is believed that they carry energies that can improve our spiritual connection and connection to the divine. The medicinal power of banana. When we eat food on banana leaves, many nutrients present in the banana leaves get absorbed in our body along with the food, due to which we get many health benefits. Apart from this, using it as a food container is also good for the environment. Many useful items such as rugs, paper pulp, mats and coarse papers are made from the fiber obtained from it. Let us know the advantages and some little disadvantages of banana leaves. Banana leaf for hair. Eating on banana leaves also benefits for your hair. If you eat banana leaves regularly, it makes your hair black and shiny. Therefore, to keep your hair black, you should eat on banana leaves. Mix banana with coconut oil, olive oil and honey for a hair mask that can help you to get shiny and moisturized hair. For the preservation of food. Many times such situations arise that food gets saved and it has to be kept safely. On such occasions, you can take the help of banana leaves. If the food is wrapped in a banana leaf, it does not spoil quickly. As a treatment for burns, banana leaf is also useful in the treatment of burns. On the part of the body that is burnt, sprinkle ginger oil on a banana leaf and wrap it from the top to bottom to get rid of the heat and its burning. Nutrient receiving. Due to the benefits of eating food on banana leaves is considered healthy. By serving hot food on banana leaves, the nutrients present in the leaf are also mixed in the food, which is very good for health. Bananas contain a generous amount of iron which can help when preventing anemia. Research has shown that children who eat one banana a day have a lower risk of developing asthma. Bananas are considered a wholesome food and recommended diet when dealing with diarrhea. Bananas contain tryptophan, which can help with memory retention and improving mood. Banana peels are edible too and full of nutrients such as potassium and lutein, which can help prevent cataracts and good for eye health. Eating on banana leaves also beneficial for your skin because a lot of polyphenols and eggs are found in banana leaves, which are also found in green tea. Let us tell you that polyphenols are a good antioxidant that are found in leafy food, so they are also beneficial for your skin. For blood purification. If you regularly eat raw banana vegetables as a vegetable, then your blood gets purified along with its spicy taste. Consuming banana purifies the blood and you can get rid of diseases like night blindness and so on. Use in boils, pimples and burns. It is generally seen that wrapping coconut oil on a banana leaf on boils, pimples, scars, burns on the skin gives us instant relief from skin related problems. Therefore, it is also one of the many benefits of banana leaves. Bananas can be used to make an excellent face mask. Simply mash up some banana in a bowl, apply the mashed banana on your face. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. The potassium and vitamin B in banana is great for the skin and will leave it nice and moisturized. So use it and get the result. Number 8, beneficial for baby. You may find this a bit strange, but sprinkling ginger oil on a banana leaf and wrapping the newborn baby in it from top to bottom and keeping it in the open in front of the sun's rays is good for the baby's skin. Due to this, the baby also gets abundant vitamin D. Bananas are famously high in potassium, which can help lower blood pressure, keep in mind focused, and help the heart maintain and regular heartbeat. Bananas are incredibly nutritious, contains not only notable amount of potassium but also iron, calcium, magnesium, B6, folate, among other powerful nutrients. Bananas are high in fiber, which help regulate the digestive system. It can also help us to keep feeling full longer, making it the perfect breakfast companion. Bananas are high in fiber, which helps regulate the digestive system. It can also help you keep feeling full longer, making it a perfect breakfast companion. So use banana as a breakfast companion, and you will be feel excellent. So we can say that including banana leaf in our daily life is a good way to come close to nature and be healthy. But the thing you must take care is that when you use banana leaf, make sure that there is no worm, no spider along with it. Due to being in direct contact with the environment, the dust and soil remains frozen on the banana leaf. So whenever you use it, keep this in mind that clean it properly. So that is all for this video. To watch more such videos, please visit to our channel and do subscribe. Thanks in advance. Have a good day. Om Shanti.